Jai Hind, my dear cadets. Welcome in Yoga Part 2. In last class, we learned about Tadasana, Utthasana and Urdhva Utthasana. Here myself, 3rd Officer Dr. Vasudha Kamath from KRCS English Medium School, Bailongal, 5 Karnataka Girls Battalion. Today we are going to learn many more asanas in yoga. Sukhasana. This is an amazing one for beginners as it gives one the desired comfort. The asana is behind the horizons of the physical dimension and gives a spiritual bliss. Sukhasana is the best to reduce anxiety and stress and mental tiredness. It corrects the body posture and stretches the chest and spine. Next asana is Naukasana or boat pose. This is one of the easy asanas. This asana stretches the abdominal muscles and it improves digestion and reduces belly fat. It is good to improve the efficiency of abdominal muscles. Next asana is Dhanurasana, bow pose. It stretches the entire body. It helps weight loss and boosts digestion and blood circulation. It is effective in making the back flexible. Next asana, Vakrasana, twisted pose. Vakrasana makes the body flexible and reduces belly fat and also helps in improving digestion and regulating digestive juices. Next asana, Kakasana or crow pose. For anyone who wants to improve their concentration power, wipe out sluggishness and enhance mental and physical balance, Kakasana is the best option as it stretches the muscles of arms, wrists, and forearms. The posture makes the body and mind feel light. It brings together the scattered mind. It is difficult to perform and takes a lot of practices. Next asana is Bhujangasana or Cobra stretch. It known as the corrector of the curvature and makes the spine flexible. The curve structure of the asana massages the deep back muscles, spine and nerves. It can be a great asana for people dealing with arthritis of the lower back and lower back pains. It relieves menstrual problems by stretching the uterus and ovaries. It releases stress through invigorating adrenal glands and kidneys. Come to next asana, Halasana. The Halasana opens up the spinal disc and aims to keep the spinal system youthful as it stretches the spinal muscles. The stretch releases the tension from the shoulders, arms and spine. It is one of the best asana to tackle obesity by revitalizing the internal organs. It can cure indigestion and constipation and neck arthritis stiffens. Come to the next asana, Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. The meaning of Sarvangasana is of all parts. The asana involves the entire body and revitalizes it. It involves the thyroid gland and stimulates metabolism, protein synthesis, and blood circulation. The posture of the asana strengthens muscles and lowers the chances of kidney and bone disease. It aims to reduce insomnia, depression, and mental anxiety. Now, next asana is Shirsasana or headstand. Shirsasana, the king of asanas, is one of the most difficult asanas but has remarkable benefits. It improves blood circulation, gives strength to the respiratory system, improves concentration and memory. The asana concentration and memory. The asana involves the brain, spine, and entire nerve system and stimulates the pineal glands. The upside down pose helps to edge constipation and relieves nerves disorders and anxiety. Come to the next asana, Gomukhasana or cow face pose. It is one of the basic asana that opens up the hips as the asana stretches the hips, arms, thighs and back. It helps in muscle relaxation. Thank you very much my dear cadets. We will meet soon in next class with new topic. Jai Hind.